Is he mine? Can I name him?
Yes, but remember, he is for Eid.
Omar named him Lulu, and they became best friends. Days passed. Lulu was not just a goat. Lulu was Omar's best friend.
Omar, it's almost Eid. We'll be sacrificing Lulu.
No, he's my best friend. He's not just a goat.
Prophet Ibrahim was ready to sacrifice his son for Allah. Can you do what's asked of you, Omar?
Omar is restless. He dreams of Prophet Ibrahim as placing his son for sacrifice.
Sometimes, the things we love the most are the greatest gifts when given to Allah.
I love you, but I love Allah more.
He leads Lulu with tearful eyes.
You've passed a great test, Omar.
Omar and his father distributing meat to poor neighbors. Omar sees a hungry boy smiling with food. Omar gave something he loved and found something even greater, the joy of giving. I still miss Lulu, but I know he made Allah happy.
True Eid is not about keeping what you love. It's about giving it to the one you love the most.